Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you a quick, easy and super healthy peanut butter recipe that's a million times better than the store-bought version, and the best part is it only has one ingredient. To get started, all we're going to need is about 2 cups of peanuts. Mine have already been roasted, but if yours aren't, all you have to do is pop them in the oven for a few minutes, and if they are roasted but they're cold, all you have to do is put them in the microwave for about a minute or so until they get warm, and then we're going to put them in the food processor back there. If you would like your peanut butter to be more flavorful, you can add some salt or your favorite sweetener once it starts to become creamy in the food processor and blend them all together. But personally, I like mine as natural as possible, so I'm just going to have plain peanut butter. They are warm, we're going to put them in the food processor. And then we're going to blend it until it turns into a flour. And then when it gets thick like this, we're going to have to help it blend. If you have a spatula, that's the best thing to use, but I only have a spoon. So help it loosen up a bit and then keep on blending until it turns into creamy peanut butter. I like to store mine in a mason jar. Look how delicious and creamy this is. I absolutely love it. Once you put it in the fridge, it will get a little thicker, so keep that in mind. And this is all for today. I really hope you liked this video because it took me a very long time to make. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and maybe consider sharing it with your friends. That would be highly appreciated. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!